Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. So today is another video about talking video. So I have a bag of the Kawaii stationery, and it is a blind bag Kawaii stationery. So as you know, these two girls, this is Rabbit Ear Girl and this is Clever Sister. So I think recently they released a lot of blind bag for this model. I mean, like this Kawaii model. So for this bag, as I remember, it is about like I think if you plus the shipping price, it's between like $20 something. Yeah, $20 to $25 for this bag. So as you know, like last time I have unboxed the 3 blind bag. You can go and check another video in my talking playlist, so you can see those 3 blind bag. But it is really smaller than these 3, and it's supposed to be that size. Hold on, this is another 2, but it is really small, as you can see. But I will do this too in another video, not for this video. Okay, so for this, it have mentioned like they have 10 plus of material inside, so I don't know either what inside here. I think they say something like it has 6 of the play stuff and 4 of the DIY. So I think this is different from the last time. So this is the bag. What is this? So it's a lot of play stuff inside here. So let's see all together. Oh my god, it's really good. And if you ask me like where I got it, so the same answer, I got it from Taobao. It's just nowhere better than there for me, because the price is cheaper, and it's not about the price, but it's released a lot of stuff than the other side that they don't have, and also it will be have on another side, but it's really take time, like 1 or 2 months to get this one for them to sell, because I think they also bought from there either. So they need to wait as I wait either. Okay, so let's see what I got for this. It's really big. Okay, so what I got for the first this is oh my goodness, Clever Sister. Oh my god, her name is really hard to translate. It's not like a Rabbit Ear Girl. And as I know, this Clever Sister, she is a real person. I think she is around like 10 or 12 years old girl, and she released herself with the sticker. I'm not sure she owned the sticker or someone asked her to be the model, but yes, she has a real person. It's just not like Pilada or Small Mochi that is just like imagination, but this is a real person with that girl. So and her face is really looks similar with a round glass like this. I think this is a quiet book, or maybe let me see. Oh yeah, so this is like a quiet book. So I think there's a lot of material here, and it is a lot different. Hold on. So this is the manual box. So can you see that? So when you use that box, you can make it like a 3D. It means that it is movable with this one. Yeah, some part is movable, and like this side, and some part it's just like this, just like no more decorative sticker. And it's have a lot to play on this one. So it has like body, so you can use this clothes to play the wear dress on this one. So it is a lot. So anyone like doing the quiet book or any like a 3D books, so you can look at this one. Even you cannot get the blind bag, but you can buy this one by its own if you can try with the quiet book, Kawaii quiet book, and then it will be pop up. So I'm not sure this brand or not, but it have a lot of brand with the quiet book. But this one, it is a lot of mechanics, so you can place a lot on this book. So for me, if I get the price on the market, I think it is supposed to be like $10 something. So you can try to look at on Temu, AliExpress, Shopee, Lazada, or Amazon. So it's supposed to be that price because it's just like a retail price. So they need to earn some profits. So it's about that. And I don't know how they charge for the shipping. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is a stick. Oh my goodness, this one really big. It's just like a playwear sticker. Hold on. Okay, cool. So this is how it look like. So this is another clever sister, and can you see that? So it has a body with the clothes. So when you play, you can choose any body from here. You can choose either her or either her, and then you can choose any clothes that you like to put on her and put on your journal, on your material like phone, your fridge, your book. It's okay, you can use anywhere you want. So this sticker is really useful. Even, yeah, just as I say, journal is okay too. So this is nice, and it have like a new picture here. So let's move on. And as you know already, the Washi table is expensive. So for a roll, it's about like $5. I used to buy from AliExpress, and it is about $5 to $7 something for only small mochi roll. But I don't know like how much for now. Oh, and that price is New Zealand price. It's not USD. So it's supposed to be like cheaper in USD because like New Zealand is about like $1 New Zealand, you get only 60 cents of USD. So it's supposed to be like $4 USD for one roll. Okay, so I got another one. So this one I already have, I think, 2. So this is how it look inside. This is another quiet book. So it is like a 3D one. So you will be like make it up like this, and also it already come with those kind of sticker. So I think it just looks similar to this one, but this one is look like, you know, like it's more nicer to get like a box like this, but similar. It's just similar style to play, but it is like a little bit different to play from this to this. Okay, let's move on. So it's come with the paper. I mean, like this is the paper sheet. So it should be have like a color. So this is the color. Okay, so this is A4. So it's supposed to be here. I think it's just normal binder journal book. It's nothing really special on here. So okay. I don't think I need to put inside here. It's just like normal. Yeah, just normal. It's supposed to be like a nice picture on this binder book because, you know, like it is the brands of these two go. So if you want to give something like this in the box, you're supposed to have your own ones, but it is not. It is just like a normal one, so I don't like this. Yeah, it is useful, but I don't like this, to be honest. So I think that's all what they have. No more. So it just big. Oh my god, how many I get? So I just get this book, this DIY, and the sticker. Oh, so what is this? When you say that I need to plus this one to get like to get like more than 10 items. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that's what they try to tell us, like 1 2 3 4. Hold on, 1 2 3 4. Yeah, that's what they try to tell us, but I cannot understand how it works. So this is how they tell us that we get 4 items over here, and this is the 6th item from this small stuff. So okay, so I understand now, because no, you know, like I know Chinese language, but it's not a lot, just like a normal conversation. But if you write it's a lot, I'm not understanding either. I need to go and check either. So you get, I think it is egg. They said like 6, but I got egg. That is why they said like 10 plus something. So at least we get these stuff, 6 of them, and 4 of the big items. So it's supposed to be those stuff, but I got only 4. Okay, so understandable. So now I know how to play. So I don't know what is this. Oh, it's just like a sticker. So what I got? This is a hot dog. And what is this? It looks, oh my god, just move on. I just feel like not for me. What is this? I don't know. It just look weird. What is this? Oh, who knows? I need to zoom in a little bit. What is this? Oh my goodness. This is a toast, an egg on toast. Okay, this is understandable. Oh, this is a hot dog. Oh my god. So we have another 3. Oh, this is it is like a lotus or skewer, but I'm not sure what is this. And this is look like I think look like a bread. Oh my god, it's not make sense. I don't know what is this. What is the last one? Okay, so this is another part of biscuit. It just looked like a real biscuit for this one. Okay, so all in all, if you go to purchase this one, I still recommend you go for the box that I unboxed last time. I think it is more useful, because this is not really, yeah, it's still worth it. It's still like you pay like $40 for those stuff, but if you go for that packaging that I opened before, just like $10 or $15, you get a lot more stuff than this. Okay, cool. So thank you for today. I hope this video will help you to find your own stationery. So let's meet all together with the next video. Bye bye.